How to make money online in 2020. Fast, easy, simple, and it still works. So I'm gonna show you. Now let's have a look at my bank. So at the moment, I've earned $83.20 on the app. I've been using this app for just little over 2 weeks. So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before I start, just a quick disclaimer. So this is not going to be a complete survey. It's not nothing like that. It's just, and it 100% works. It's not a scam or anything like that. It's not the typical YouTube videos that you see where they promise you that you can earn money online, but when it comes down to it, it's really not that simple. But yeah, this is quite simple. Anyone can do it. You do have to be over the age of 17 to do this. If you're younger than 17, then it's not going to work for you. But if you're over 17, then this works. It works in all countries. It's worldwide, and it's quite simple. So I'm just going to get straight into it. Just a quick message before I reveal the method. Please don't skip this video because I'm going to be explaining a lot of things, and if you skip, then you're just going to confuse yourself. It's already a little bit confusing, so you're just going to get lost. If you skip, then you're not going to make as much money because you'll be missing some important bits. So yeah, so please just watch the full video, and it'll be worth it, trust me. Obviously, if you did enjoy the video and you got some value out of it, I'd appreciate if you can like, comment and subscribe. It will help me grow this channel. So yeah, thank you. Okay guys, so if you click the description box below, you'll see a link, and it's gonna take you to the App Store or the Play Store, depending on if you're on Android or if you're on iPhone, and you're gonna get the opportunity to download an app. So this app is free to download. It's just a social media app, and it's completely safe. It's just like Facebook, just like Instagram, just like Snapchat, just like YouTube. It's just another social media platform that's brand new. The only difference is with this new platform, you can earn money from your content. You can earn money from your post. Okay, so this is my account. That's my username, Shimron Approved. When you click the link in the description box below, it's going to ask you for who's recommended you. So if you just put my username, Shimron Approved, all one word, double M, and then you can get started making your account. Okay, so I'm going to get straight into it. There's going to be a lot of information to take in, so feel free to pause or rewind to make sure you're understanding everything. If you've got any outstanding questions, then let me know in the comment section below, and I'll answer every single question that you guys ask. Basically, at the moment, there's three main ways to make money with the app. I'm saying at the moment because this app is not fully complete yet. It's not fully been released. The release date for the app is actually January. So what you're getting at the moment is early access. So at the moment with the early access, there's only three income streams that are that come with the app. So obviously they're going to be releasing more and more things as the app grows. So currently there's three ways to make money with the app. Obviously that can change in the future, but for now there's three ways to make money online. Really quickly, the first way is just by posting content. You'll make money. It's impossible to not make money. The minute you make one post, you'll make money. The second way is by having your followers support you, and the third way is by inviting people. Now the first way, just by posting, you'll earn the least amount of money that way. The second way, your followers supporting you, that's how you'll make most of your money. And the third way, depending on how you take it, you could make a lot of money, or you might not make a lot of money. So it really just depends on how hard you work with the third way. I'm just going to start with the third way because that's the most simple one. You invite people, they join, and you can earn 10% of their earning as well. So if you invited a lot of people, then you're going to earn a lot of passive income that way. For example, you've invited your friend, he's earned $100 on the app. So you're going to get 10% of that. So you're going to get a bonus of $10. Now, that doesn't mean this $10 is taken away from your friend. No. So your friend will fully earn the full $100, and you're going to be given $10 bonus because you've invited someone that's earned $100. So you're going to benefit from that. Is the company that's going to lose out that way, but you're benefiting from it. So yeah, that's a nice little bonus. The first way to make money is by posting. So just by posting on the app, you'll make money. How that works is basically when you post, this app will have lots of ads running. So income will be generated through the ads, and the company will take 50%, and you're gonna get the other 50%. So that's normally how it works. So the reason I said with posting that's how you'll make the least amount of money is because when you post, the income that's generated is usually shared with other people. You're not taking the full amount, so the 50% that's going to go back to the user is shared between three people. So if I go to my feed at the moment, let me just refresh. So this person's posted 1, 2, there's an ad, 1, 2, 3, there's an ad, 1, 2, 3, there's an ad, 1, 2, 3, there's an ad. So generally after every 3 posts there'll be an ad somewhere. And what's happening here, depending on how many views this particular ad gets, income is generated. The company will take 50%, and the other 50% is divided between the 3 people that posted. So if this particular ad gets, let's just say 1,000 views, and let's just say $3 are generated from that, the company will take $1.50. The $1.50 is divided between 1, 2, 3, these 3 people. So depending on how many posts and how frequent you post, that's how you'll earn your money. For me specifically, I don't earn a lot of money from my post. I genuinely earn between 1 cent to 30 cents per day, just by posting. So you don't really earn a lot of money through posting. You'll have to post a lot of posts, or you have to have your post go viral, basically get like millions and thousands of views on your post, which is why you shouldn't focus too much on posting. Just post good quality content, and you'll make good money. The second way that you can make money on the app, and it's probably the best way to make money, is through the support button. So what happens when you actually make a post? When you make a post, your followers can like if they like the content. They can comment if they want to leave a comment, or they can share. What share means, basically, it's a retweet. So what happens is, I see this post. If I share, then I'm gonna share. I'm sharing that post on my timeline, so my followers can see that as well. So people that aren't following this person can still see that post because I've shared it to my followers now, and so my followers can see it. And if they share it, then they're sharing it to their followers as well. So it's a great way to get extra views. So let's say, for example, you've posted a post and it's only gotten 500 views, and you've got 10 people that have shared it. Now they're sharing it with their followers, so that's an extra, let's just say 500 views. So now you've got 1,000 views from your post, so that's more money you're earning. So shares are definitely very important because they're going to increase your income. So if you upload very good content, high quality content that's going to make people share, then you're gonna make a lot of money. The algorithm on this app as well, it's quite heavily towards share as well. So the more shares you get, the more viral your post will become as well. So definitely, shares is important. But the main way you can make money is that support me button. So if your follower presses that support me button, what's gonna happen is an ad is gonna pop up. And once the ad pops up, money is generated again. The company will take 50%. The other 50% will go directly to the user, the one that posted the content, and it's not shared with anyone. So there's two different types of ads. So you can have just a normal pop-up ad, or you can have a video ad. Video ads are normally never more than 30 seconds, sometimes 5 seconds, sometimes 10 seconds. But with a video ad, you've got to wait until the ad is finished. But with a normal pop-up ad, then, so if I show you, for example, this person, if I click support me, there you go, ad, I close it, so they've earned money. I can press it again, they've earned money again. So there's no limit to how many times you can support someone. You can support someone as many times as you want. So I can literally sit here and keep supporting this person all day long. Then that means they're going to keep earning money all day long. So really simple. Now let's have a look at my bank. So at the moment, I've earned $83.20 on the app. I've been using this app for just little over 2 weeks. So there you go. The my bank hasn't been updated for 2 days now, because normally Friday, Saturday, Sunday, what you've earned those 3 days usually come out on Monday. But Monday to Thursday, the result comes out the next day. So whatever you earn on Monday comes out on Tuesday. Whatever you earn on Tuesday comes out on Wednesday. Whatever you've earned on Wednesday comes out on Thursday. But what you've earned on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, they come out on Monday. So at the moment, I don't know what I've earned Friday and Saturday, um, and Sunday today. So they'll all be announced tomorrow. But I should be roughly around $90. So yeah, just under 2 weeks, I'm on $90. So I'm on track to making $200 a month. So at the moment, what I'm doing seems to be working fine for me. I'm posting high quality, good content. I'm engaging with over followers. I'm engaging my followers. I'm building relationship, and in turn, they're supporting my content, and I'm supporting their content. So as you can see, I don't have a huge following. I've got 500 followers. My posts generally get 24 likes. That one, 17 likes, 16 likes, 3 likes, 5 likes, 22, 7, 11, 7, 6. So generally speaking, I usually get something around five likes to 24 likes. So it's very average what I'm getting. I don't get that many supports as well. I'm getting 5 supports on that one, 8 supports there, 9 supports, 12 supports. So generally speaking, I'm getting around between 5 to 12 people supporting me on my posts, and I'm still generating good amount of income from the app. So you don't have to have a huge following, but obviously the bigger your following is, the more money you'll make from the app. So yeah, I know this is a bit rushed and it's a little bit confusing, but if you don't understand, or you're a bit confused about what I've said, you can ask me questions in the comment section below, or you can contact me on my Instagram, which I'm gonna link somewhere in the video. And if you just shoot me a message, I'm gonna help you. Nice and straightforward. So you make a post, make sure it's high quality and good content. You have people support you, and you'll make a lot of money. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.